You have probably heard the word blockchain before. It is often connected to things like Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or digital money. But many people still ask one simple question. What exactly is blockchain? Is it just money? Is it an app? Or is it some kind of secret technology? The truth is, blockchain is not just about cryptocurrency. It is actually a smart way to store information safely on the internet. In this video, we are going to explain how blockchain works in the simplest way possible. No complicated tech words, just clear and easy ideas. What is blockchain? At its core, a blockchain is a digital record book. It stores information, just like a notebook stores notes. But instead of being on paper, it is stored on computers. And instead of one person controlling it, many computers share it together. You can think of it like a shared spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no one can secretly change. This is what makes blockchain special. It is transparent and secure at the same time. What is a block? Now let's break the word blockchain into two parts. Block and chain. A block is simply a group of information. For example, in cryptocurrency, a block stores transactions. Who sent money? Who received money? And how much? Once the block is full of data, it gets sealed. Then a new block is created for new information. So blocks are like pages in a notebook. Each page stores new records. What is a chain? So what about the chain? Here is where things get interesting. Each block is connected to the previous block using special codes. These codes are called hashes. A hash is like a digital fingerprint. If someone changes even one tiny detail inside a block, the fingerprint changes completely, because each block contains the fingerprint of the block before it. They're all linked together. That is the chain. If someone tries to change one block, it breaks the entire chain, and everyone will notice immediately. This is what makes blockchain very secure. How blockchain stays decentralized. Normally, information is stored on one central server, like a bank or a company database. But blockchain is different. It is decentralized. This means the data is stored on many computers around the world, not just one. These computers are called nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain. So if one computer fails or gets hacked, the others still have the data. Nothing is lost. This makes the system very strong and reliable. There is no single point of failure. How transactions are verified. So how does new information get added safely? Before a new block is added, the network must verify it. All the computers check if the information is correct. If most of them agree, the block is approved. Then it gets added to the chain permanently. Once added, it cannot be changed or deleted. This process is called consensus. It means everyone agrees before anything becomes official. This prevents cheating or fake transactions. Why blockchain is trusted? Because of all these features, blockchain is very trustworthy. It is secure because blocks cannot be changed. It is transparent because everyone can see the records. And it is decentralized so no single person controls it. That is why blockchain is used for more than just cryptocurrency. It can be used for banking, contracts, voting systems, medical records, and even supply chains. Anywhere you need safe and honest record keeping. So how does blockchain work? It is actually simple. Information is stored in blocks. Blocks are linked together in a chain. Each block is protected by digital fingerprints. And many computers work together to verify everything. No central control. No easy hacking. Just secure shared data. It may sound complex at first, but it is really just a smarter way to store information. And that is why blockchain is becoming such an important technology for the future. If you enjoyed this simple explanation of blockchain, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tech Spark for more easy technology explained. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.